Madam Edo, about relationship between the student and the lecturers. Joyce, what is there that is very true is that people will address you now you dress yourself. So when you go to school or when you join those campuses, how you are dressing yourself. Kakiruakori. Gikakain matters a lot because there are some people who are saying my dress is my choice. And that thing, ene gimo uketoa andaki aina. Koro ngere design mangato kata kuneni to this is a serious student. Lecturer even ka en gi paro moro mopogore obro wacho ni this is a lady of standard. She knows why she's here. Koro nyako mi respect. Koro what I would like to request our first years, just dress properly. It will make people address you that way. Another thing I watch depression. Depression sama koro jo first years donjo mapod ni dala da kwa jonyuol mondo bed kod gi machiegni gibed open. We know that we have extra introvert and jo uwoyo. Koro the introvert nini students watema ne kaka wabeda ni machiegni gi jonyuolwa to watema ne jonyuol bendo bed machiegni kodwa to sami this school make friends. Koro neno ka friends ni nyalo wacho ni ngani to kawuono kako react chani there is a problem in him or on her. Koro samwa loso wabendo machiegni gi nyithiyo watu wagore sim ke jonyuol moko mok go sim. Nitie moko mako neno simbi to ajwan koro da kwa
ya pesa.
Koro neno samoro ni tire problem modwa no reach to ko ne simbi ngani oflaza kai ma koro flash pesa ne uru. Samoro idwa mana ng'eyo ngima gi idwa share ya mam nitie gima pitia en magi because we are very close to them, but you find then jonyuol boko be keto high expectation on students. Iduoka gi gi first class. Ko ke yudo we will not talk. Ko yudoka you are going to fumble. Yudoka the moment my depression you are in through that depression result to say duogo. Or you know nike make call the first thing with the pager is my grade. Ko yudoka you fear. Then I just want, and nowadays most of our parents are very professionals, so they handle us with a lot of professionality.
What ni mogik Steven kachako kodi ka watieko twak maro kinyi makawuono thuolo mar orumo.
Wachna mogik daer mar kwayo nyithindo majoin ni waket Nyasaye mbele. Everything we start with God and we end with God. Before you leave your home, can you take a picture on where you are coming from? Because where you are going to meet people from different backgrounds. Kindly take a picture of where you are coming from. And lastly, I would like to pass the greetings of the president of our university, that is Vincent Odiwuor. Omor gibiro naka kendo rwako kendo kwayo ne nyithindo madonjo St Paul Monday ay maber ka gi travel. Erokamano.
Erokamano ahinya. Wira wachni mogik ka watieko.
Erokamano.